Fuyote specializes in floating cell R&D and manufacturing since 1992. Over 3 decades committed to one mission: overcoming the limits of harsh working conditions, making Fuyote floating cells the preferred choice in global heavy equipment. In metal cell ring manufacturing, we maintain a 20% high molybdenum chromium alloy formula, because every 1% increase means pursuing wear resistance and sealing stability. Through heat treatment and precision machining, we achieve uniform through hardness in metal cell rings, ensuring stable sealing performance of sealing surfaces even under harsh operating conditions. Since 2014, Fuyote's dedicated rubber rings facility has engineered high elastomer formulations for tear resistance and resilience, achieving metal cell ring integration through controlled production. Fuyote ensures reliable sealing solutions for global heavy equipment through precision engineering and rigorous quality control. We cover diameters from 35mm to 1,425mm, applied in tunnel boring machines, hydromill trench cutters, and mining trucks. Our floating cells operate reliably under extreme temperature, pressure, and RPM conditions, maintaining stable performance through continuous operations. Fuyote floating cell, 3 decades of dedicated R&D and manufacturing, empowering rotating machinery through sealing.